How does internet publishing affect libel law for journalists? Imagine sharing a story online and suddenly facing a legal challenge. How does putting content on the internet change the rules for libel? That's what we're here to find out. When journalists publish online, the same basic libel laws that apply to newspapers and magazines still hold. But the internet introduces new twists. For example, the single publication rule means that the clock for legal action starts from the first time the content is published. It doesn't reset every time someone views or shares the story later. This rule helps online publishers avoid endless lawsuits because content can be accessed repeatedly over time. Another big factor is Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act. This law protects internet platforms like social media sites, comment sections, and web hosting services from being held responsible for defamatory posts made by users. So, if someone posts false information about a person on a social media platform, the platform usually isn't liable unless they knew about the falsehood and didn't act. This protection encourages platforms to host user content without fear of constant legal threats. The speed and permanence of online publishing also change the game. News spreads fast on social media, often without thorough fact-checking. This quick sharing can lead to the accidental publication of false or damaging statements. Plus, once something is online, it's often searchable forever. That means a damaging lie can stay visible and harm someone's reputation long after it was posted. Social media posts and tweets are often informal and filled with hyperbole. Courts recognize that these are different from traditional news stories. Still, if false statements damage someone's reputation, they can be considered libel, even if they're short or casual. The key is whether the statement is a factual claim that can be proven false. Despite these online challenges, journalistic ethics remains vital. Accuracy, fairness, and accountability are still the best ways to avoid libel issues. Many online publishers also buy media liability insurance to protect against potential libel claims. In summary, internet publishing affects libel law by applying traditional rules like the single publication rule, offering protections for platforms under Section 230, and creating new challenges with how fast and permanent online content is. Journalists need to be extra careful with online content to stay within legal boundaries and uphold ethical standards.